Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to reduce ink smears on a Canon Pixma TS705a. Now after extended use, the inside of this printer can get a little bit dirty, and if there's ink or anything along bottom edges of the printer, you can notice kind of smears running up the pages, normally on edges, bits like that where the paper's just kind of catching ink that's been deposited in there and ruining your otherwise great looking prints. Now this process is done from the printer itself using the screen and the buttons here, but there is a little bit of prep work that needs doing beforehand. So let's take a look at that now. So what we're going to do is prepare a piece of paper from the inside of your printer to be ready for this clean. Doing this is ever so simple. What you do is fold a piece of paper in half, like this, which looks nice and neat on the edge. Then when it's folded in half, we're going to fold it in half again, taking an outside edge, folding it towards that center crease we made previously. Hopefully you can see you've got your center crease and that one halfway. With that done, we're kind of priming the paper so it's most likely to kind of drag along the bottom of the printer. Right, then we load it back into the printer, ensuring the two folds are closest to this side. Pop the paper tray back in. And with that done, you can also extend the paper feed. So back to the screen. And the first thing we do is enter the setup menu by pressing this button here with tools on it. Then we press the right button till we get to maintenance. Press OK. We press right again until we get to bottom plate cleaning, BTM plate cleaning, just to be clear. And then we press OK. And our printer's going to take that bit of paper and go through the automated process. So we sit back for a second. And when you return to this menu, the automated process is complete. Now, if you notice any smears or anything on your page, just run through the process again. Mine's perfectly clean because this is a new machine. If, however, you've done two cleans and you're still noticing issues, it might be worthwhile cleaning the inside of the printer. If you do need to go back for that second bottom plate clean, do be sure to use a clean piece of paper though, both so you can see the ink smears more clearly and to reduce the risk of you just depositing ink elsewhere in the printer while trying to clean it. If you do decide to clean the inside of your printer, just make sure your machine's off, everything's tucked away as best as possible, unplug it from the mains, and then if you look on the inside of the printer, any kind of bits that protrude that have ink on them, probably worthwhile giving a wipe down with a cotton bud or similar. Obviously try and use something that won't leave any additional debris inside the printer, because that can make things worse. That's about all there is to see here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If it's been useful to you, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care, bye bye.